thunderstorms in the morning, then...
Here we go. A severe thunderstorm warning just issued. Here.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m.
Looks like
At
it's Will,
7:14
DuPage,
p.m.,
and Cook.
a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest Hill or over Lockport, moving north at 35 miles per hour.
It's not moving east. It's north.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
And we
indicated.
got no hail at
Impact,
this time.
expect considerable tree damage.
Chicago
Damage is likely
won't
to
be
mobile
impacted.
homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield,
Orland Park, Tinley
Woodbridge,
Park
Lockport,
doesn't get
New
severe
Lenox,
thunderstorm warning
Palmer
yet.
Glen, Lamont, Burridge, Lisle, Darien, Crest Hill, Willowbrook, Fairmont, and Crystal Lawns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast